Travis.
No.
Travis, listen. Hey. Okay, stop. Stop. Travis. Stop. Can you walk? Are you drunk like mommy? Are you drunk like mommy? Travis? Are you walking like mommy when she's drunk?
He's ignoring you.
Apparently.
He knows better.
Travis! Hey! Are you drunk? What are you doing? Trav! Travis, what are you doing? What are you doing?
He's dancing like you. Travis, can you walk a straight line now? Walk a straight line.
See?